Skin problems affect everyone at some point in life, and if you have sensitive skin, prone to acne, you have surely already tried every single product on the market. Yet, most of these products are full of harsh chemicals that harm the skin and strip it of its natural moisture. Today, we share with you the best natural skin remedy, coconut oil. This natural oil is a strong and versatile beauty product that can do wonders for your skin health due to its strong moisturizing, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Coconuts consist of milk, meat, juice, and oil, and as soon as they are harvested from the coconut palm tree, the oil is extracted from the meat. It is mostly made up of saturated fats and is rich in medium-chain fatty acids, such as lauric and capric acids, which protect the skin. This oil is high in vitamin E, which clears blockages of the sebum glands, which is often the real cause of acne. Moreover, its powerful anti-inflammatory qualities relieve inflammation. Coconut oil is wonderful as a face cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen, but also it can treat many skin problems. The fatty acids, caprylic and lauric, in coconut oil reduce inflammation internally and externally and moisturize, making them a great solution for all types of skin conditions. It protects the skin and has many antioxidants that make it ideal for healing the skin. In addition, the antimicrobial properties balance out the candida or fungal sources that can cause many skin conditions. If you mix this oil with some other essential oil like a tree or lavender oil, you will get a potent natural acne cure. Tea tree oil contains terpene 4-ol, which provides strong antimicrobial and antiseptic qualities. And lavender oil is excellent for sensitive and damaged skin. Lavender oil will also relax you and relieve stress, which is often the reason for acne breakouts. Now, here is how to prepare this miraculous coconut oil acne and wrinkle remedy. Ingredients: 1 cup of coconut oil, 5 to 6 drops of essential oil. Instructions: melt the coconut oil in a saucepan over low heat, and take it off the stove. Add 5 to 6 drops of some essential oil, preferably lavender or tea tree oil. Mix well, and pour the remedy into a mason jar. Leave it to cool and then rub it on the face with gentle movements. Rinse with lukewarm water, repeat twice daily, in the morning and in the afternoon, and store this acne remedy in a cool, dry place. This will eliminate the dead skin cells, promote the natural moisture of the skin, treat acne, and control the production of oil. Additionally, the useful properties of coconut oil will naturally reduce the appearance of wrinkles and tighten the saggy skin. Your skin will be healthy and young looking again soon.